Hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. Jacob is here to hinder the operation, but he was feeling forlorn and he needed to be pet. So he jumped in my lap, as all opportunistic cats do. Today I'm going to be working on a dump valve for this trailer because it keeps deflating that tire right there, and I need to have it dump that head pressure air so that it stops performing like it's supposed to and performs the way I want it to perform. Stay tuned. So to catch you up on where this journey has been, I have a line that comes from the tank, and it is my way of faking the system into having CTIS on this trailer. So this valve goes all the way to this regulator, and and that is set at 60 psi right now. It has a little knob on the back of it, and that of course goes all the way back to the valve that's just in front of the rear bumper. Both of those lines go to each of the tires, left and right. If that has a little bit of back pressure, it will try to maintain that pressure, and by maintaining it, what does it do? It deflates one of the tires, which is weird. It actually should deflate both of them, but it only deflates one of them. I think because this side, the driver's side, maybe that has a slightly weaker valve, weaker spring than the other. The other one is able to stay up where this other one goes flat. So today I got myself a T-fitting, and I'm going to have this dump valve that just dumps excess pressure overboard once I am done filling up the tires. So the process will be air it up by allowing air to flow. It airs up to 60 psi. Tires get inflated. After that, the valve gets shut off, and to get rid of the excess head pressure, dumps the valve into the atmosphere. Once that's done, this goes back up again, and we're good to go on an adventure. So that's basically it. All I got to do is tighten all these up, put these into place where they need to be, and then after I get done painting this whole thing, I'm probably going to have to mark it with supply valve, dump valve, and maybe even some instructions on the side of this rail here. Oh, wow. You know what? At least I'll have the world's first LMTV M1078 designated trailer. Oh, yeah. Got a leak. Gotta fix it first. Uh-oh. you're kidding me. Come on. Well, I have a suspicion that the pressure regulator that I installed is somehow acting as a one-way check valve and is holding pressure in that line. So this test is going to confirm that. All right, let's just see if this is causing any kind of back pressure. And I can still hear it back there. It's like a heartbeat. This is not acting as a one-way check valve, which is good, but that just tells me what now? What does it tell me? All right, I got another thing to try here, just to see if this needs to be reset at all. Okay, my tank is higher pressure than this tire. See if it's still, I can hear it. Something has got to be messed up with that. That's the only thing I got left to try. That is it. Nothing in the tool bag is left. Oh, the dreaded removal. Through bolts. Yep. Oh, I love it. It's going to be like dragging myself over broken glass by my butt cheeks. Awesome. Well, that is it right in there. And as you can tell, I don't know if you can see it really well, but there is a membrane, and I'm hoping that this is not press fit in. It's kind of looking like it's a throwaway part. It looks like I'm gonna have to replace it. Thank goodness I have an extra one. So I think what I'm gonna do is change these out with this hardware to maintain the proper stuff that goes to the rear. Well, that part is on there. I'm just a little embarrassed about the contortions I had to do to get that on there, but more so probably the language that I used to get that part back on. It was really, really difficult, especially, well, in that area. Let's just leave it at that. Leave it at that. To make a long story short, that didn't work. I released the pressure on this this banjo bolt. Everything stopped again. We're good to go. So I went ahead and released the banjo bolt on this side. Of course, nothing's leaking out. It's operating properly. I noticed one small detail. This is what I noticed. Do you see how long many threads this thing has? Let's check out the other side. And I'm wondering if that banjo bolt is not quite the right one to go into this. Nice.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hello, no one is available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
I am so pissed right now. I can't even see straight. I'm so pissed right now. If that thing is a bolt, how is it that it can inflate that tire? It can't. How is it that it was inflating that tire? Oh my gosh. Sometimes you just have to get up and walk away. Go get something to eat, maybe have a cup of coffee, take a little break. Get right with yourself and your mind so that you can get yourself back into that positive frame of mind so that you can attack the problem in a positive kind of way. I got 60 PSI in there. Tires are pumped up. What do I hear? Absolute quiet. Well, there is a reason for all things. And I hope that one of the reasons is that somebody somewhere out there is going to do the exact same thing and just fight and fight and fight through it, and they'll see this video and go, I got it. At least that's what I hope. I hope that you appreciated this. I hope you got a good laugh at my expense. You know, it's you just have to laugh it off, okay? That's all I can do. Guys, until next time, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe and God bless.